Page 39, a little bit of rag. They're referring to a type of music called ragtime music, honky-tonk music. Scott Joplin and okay, it's a fun piece. It simply means you're going to have a lot of syncopation in it, is what it means. So let's look it over. Treble and bass clef, 3 lines long, 1 flat in the key signature. We're in the key of F major. Common time or 4/4 time. The rhythm can get tricky here, so let's do this carefully. Right hand first. You're here to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And during the rest, you come down. 2, 3. During the rest, you come up. 3, 1, red, and then 2, 4. And during the rest, you come up. And that's basically it. Left hand, well, you got the chords, 3 and 5. Here, and then a couple of these. Then here, second line, second measure is B natural. Okay. I think you can do those. Let's put it together. Those right there. 1, 2, 3. That's how it works. And so 1, 2. And then that note on beat 4 is by itself. Lift up the left hand. 1, 2, 3. And as you play this, you lift that up. Because that's a half note. 1, 2, 3. It comes up on beat 3. So try and be accurate on how long you're holding these notes down. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, rest, rest. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole notes, they're in second line. Left hand is a half rest. So you 2 beats. 1, 2, 3. That comes on beat 3. And 2, 3, 4. 2, rest. It's tricky. The syncopation's in the right hand when you do. You'd want this. That's sort of the way it flows. But you get the note early. You get, and that's why it's syncopated. So you can put a little accent on it. It's not marked, but again, that's interpretation. Put a little accent on the syncopated notes. And speaking of articulation, you get staccatos on the left hand, short. Now, third measure, second line, or second line, third measure. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Well, when I get to the second line, third measure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See, when you speed it up, you think, is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yeah. So you put in the articulation and all that, and the last at the end, staccato. Both hands together. Okay. Dynamics go to the right hand. That's the melody. Mezzo forte or sort of loud. And then the second line, you're going to go up to loud. Now you're at loud. And then back to more sort of loud. And then the last line, third measure, now you're loud. And now you're going up to very loud for the last note. Let the wrist come up. Don't stiffen up here. Lift up. You're just bouncing off that key. Boom. Both hands, of course. Left hand, keep it in the background, pretty much. The speed. Allegro on this is fast anime. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. You're almost feeling it in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to be accurate. So what can you do accurately? There. That's my animated allegro or whatever. You make it yours. You take it your speed, but be accurate. That's what's important. Let's play it together very slowly, not doing any dynamics. I'll do the staccatos. And let's just make sure we got the same notes and rhythms going. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Rest, rest, rest.